Here are top 20 solar system quiz, MCQ. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer B, Mars. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer B, Jupiter. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer A, Mercury. Which is the only planet known to support life? Answer B, Earth. What is the name of Saturn's largest moon? Answer C, Titan. Which planet has the most moons? Answer D, Jupiter. Which planet rotates on its side? Answer C, Uranus. What celestial bodies orbit planets and are smaller than them? Answer B, moons. Which planet is famous for its ring system? Answer C, Saturn. What is the fifth planet from the Sun? Answer B, Jupiter. Which dwarf planet is in the Kuiper belt? Answer A, Pluto. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Answer C, gravity. What is the Sun mainly composed of? Answer C, hydrogen and helium. Which planet has the longest day? Answer C, Venus. What is the name of a planet's path around the Sun? Answer B, orbit. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Answer C, Venus. What is the asteroid belt? Answer B, a region between Mars and Jupiter. What are comets mostly made of? Answer D, ice, dust, and rock. Which planet is called the morning star? Answer D, Venus. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer B. Mercury.